Commitment is when you dedicate yourself to your cause. It's when you take a pledge towards a belief and you follow through until the end. It's when you go all in. For me, 2019 was the year of 3 life-changing commitments.
I'm facing back to front, over my shoulder at the sun, and it's an open door, and off my line of sight once more. I don't learn, it'll all be fine this time. I don't learn, 'cause you always seem so kind. I don't learn, it'll all be fine this time. I don't learn.
The first commitment I made was to reprioritize, to live my life and not my career. Look, it took me a quarter-life crisis to realize this, but honestly, better late than never. It's about adjusting my focal length, about a shift in mindset, a change in principles, a fundamental reprioritization of my view towards work and towards life. We stop learning when we stop seeking discomfort. And so the second commitment I made was to push my boundaries, face my fears and keep reiterating. Trust me, no one looks back and remembers their day-to-day routines, but they will definitely remember the times they did something different, something crazy, you know? It's all about learning life through the right lens of experiences. And the final commitment I made, and the biggest of all, was one to love.
Help me out, don't let me down. I could learn from you, I could learn from you.
To accept our differences and embrace our similarities, to go all in from this day until always. For it is with you that I find the balance in my life.